So over here you can see that I have an object on my viewport. So if I were to click on this and use the move tool, you can see that I can move this freely. But if I were to go over here on the top, you can see snap is an option. So once I turn this on, let's see what happens. So you can see that it snaps into place by units right here. That is because units is what I have selected. If I were to go over here, you can see that units is now selected. I can also snap by vertex as face, volume, or other option right here. So if I were to, let's say for example, press Shift D, and then I have this right here. And if I were to go to snap and go to, let's say for example, vertex, now if I were to go in right here, then vertex will snap out. But for that, I need to go to edit mode, and then you can see that there's the vertex right here. So if I were to move the vertex, so if I were to bring this down right here, just like this, just go around over here, then what happens is that it snaps into place as I drag in the vertex along with another vertex, as you can see right here. Same goes for the edge, so I'm just going to go around into edge, and if I were to select the edge right here, so I'm going to go to the selection tool, go and select the edge, and if I were to go around and then click on this, click and drag this, you can see that it snaps on into place by edge now. I can also do the same with the face, so if I were to go around into face, just like this, and then if I were to go around over here, let me just maximize this because I minimized it by error. So I'm just going to go around and then select the face. So I'm going to go around onto the selection tool on the face, and if I were to go around and then click and drag this out, you'll see that it snaps onto the place, but it is not snapping on quite well because this the face is not straight. So you can see that it snaps right here, but doesn't snap out well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a duplicate. So I'm going to move out of the edit mode. I'm going to press Shift D, bring it out right here, and then I'm going to go to edit mode again, select the face, and if I were to go around, you'll be able to see that it snaps into place right here as I select the face. And similarly, I can go around with the increment along with the scaling as well. So I can disable this snap, and you can see that I'm in more free mode. But if I were to go on to snap, then this is how it actually works. And that is how you can use the snap tool to move and adjust your models inside of Blender in a more precise way. So if you guys learned something, as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.